Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into your Dogecoin wallet account. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the My Doge application. This is the app for Dogecoin wallet, so launch the app. Once you open the app, you'll see this kind of interface. Now in order to log in, you must have already created a wallet account before. Only then after you can log into your account. If you haven't created any account, here you can see create a wallet option. You can choose this and create your account first. After that, in order to log in, here you can see I already have a wallet option. Tap on it. So when you created your account, you must have selected the backup option, whether cloud backup or the seed phrases. So whichever method you have selected before, you can choose this in order to log in. So choose accordingly. If you have taken the notes of your seed phrases, here you can see restore with the seed phrase option. Tap on it. Enter all the seed phrases that you have taken note of before. Once you enter all these phrases, you can tap on this restore wallet at the bottom and you will gain access to your account. If you have selected the cloud backup, you can choose that option and select the Google account that you have selected before and you will be logged into your account. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.